What's up folks, welcome back to our channel, where today we're going to discuss some of the best gaming speakers out there on the market. While noise-canceling headphones or gaming headsets can present an immersive gaming encounter, nothing matches to a set of great gaming speakers. They free you from the inevitable discomfort from using headphones for hours during marathon sessions, but a subwoofer can also add a natural element when things go boom. So here today we've crawled up a list which we think are going to perform the best this year. Make sure to check out the description below for more information and all the latest pricing. If your concern is physical space in a room or on a desk, Razer's Nommo Chroma kit provides you serious sound quality without a substantial footprint. Better yet, these speakers have small combined stands to place them alongside your TV, monitor, or keyboard in most compact gaming setups. Powerful audio can immerse you in your reality, bringing games, movies, and music to life. With optimized drivers, created for full-range sound and extreme clarity, the Razer Nomo takes you to a new dimension that obscures the line between fiction and reality. Despite the absence of a subwoofer, the kit presents impressive power for speakers of this size. Each has a built-in rear-facing bass port for a fuller overall sound, producing low-end vibration effects during the deepest of in-game rumblings. If that's not your way, the speakers have built-in volume and bass controls for fine-tuned hardware control. Razer's automatic gain control makes certain that any bass increases are distortion-free too. If immersion is your principal concern with gaming audio, some setups come close to the Logitech Z906. Giving true 5.1 surround sound, it elevates crisp, powerful audio, whether you're playing games, watching films, or just hearing music. There is real meat in explosions and booming voices. The powerful Logitech Z906 5.1 THX-certified speaker system makes it effortless for you to convert any room into a home theater. Listen to every tire squeal, footstep, and rumble the way the studio expected, in 5.1 diplomatic channels of explosive, detailed surround sound. Enjoy compelling, theater-quality acoustics for your films, music, and games. Dynamic satellite and center channel speakers, plus a 165-watt subwoofer, produce crystal-clear high-end, rich mid-range tones, and large, deep bass. Z906 speakers transform the two-channel stereo from your preferred old movies, music, and games into an immersive surround sound experience. The compact, stackable design matches in with your home entertainment system. Control volume, power, mute, and set inputs on the console or from the sofa using the handy wireless remote. Logitech's system stars a multitude of inputs, allowing you to connect up to 6 different devices at the same time. The Razer Leviathan Elite Gaming Soundbar supports Bluetooth 4.0 wireless streaming from cooperative devices, and it also supports the aptX codec. Experience immersive 5.1 channel surround sound for your preferred games and movies. The soundbar also highlights a dedicated subwoofer to guarantee powerful low-frequency support. It comfortably fits under any desktop monitor or living room console setup. The soundbar is versatile enough to be repositioned continually in any situation, and this soundbar highlights cutting-edge Dolby technology, superior sound drivers, and a dedicated subwoofer projecting intense sounds that recreate epic in-game battle scenes or just streaming your preferred tunes from your smartphone. The Razer Leviathan soundbar stars 4 finely tuned drivers that are optimized for incredible virtual surround sound gaming and movies, putting you right in the core of your action. Unlike most soundbars that undergo from weak bass, the Razer Leviathan comes equipped with a powerful 5.25-inch downward-firing subwoofer dedicated precisely for the exact reproduction of bass and tuned to deliver distortion-free lower frequencies. The Razer Leviathan is made to present chest-thumping, deep-influence bass. Products directed at gamers are almost universally black and LED affairs, but this set of speakers from Harmon gives a slick, sci-fi look. With 2 satellite speakers sporting 4 1-inch speakers each and a beefy 6-inch downward-firing subwoofer, this kit provides more than enough sound to fill an entire room. The system offers up to 40 watts of total power and incorporates a 6-inch down-firing subwoofer for added bass impact. The included satellite speakers highlight adjustable angles for optimized sound quality, and they connect to the combined speaker connectors positioned on the subwoofer module. A 3.5mm audio interface is developed into the system for connecting a wide variety of analog audio sources like MP3 players, computers, and gaming systems. The 3.5mm interface is included on an integrated cable for easy component connections. Budget speakers usually leave a lot to be desired, but this kit of 2.1 gaming speakers of CyberAcoustics is a welcome exception. It stars two 2-inch satellite speakers and a 5.25-inch subwoofer for a part of the value of most of the other alternatives on the list. It highlights two satellite speakers with 2-inch high-efficiency drivers as well as a subwoofer for premium audio. The system emphasizes an auxiliary input, bass volume control, and headphone out jack for individual listening. The satellite speakers are magnetically shielded to limit interference from other electronic devices. Additional peculiarities include an on-off switch, master volume control, and detachable cloth grills. This 2.1 speaker system is ideal for movie watching, music listening, and gaming. Surround yourself in audio and immerse yourself in the experience. The Bose Companion 2 Series 3 multimedia speaker system is a stereo sound system highlighting true space digital processing circuitry for massive lifelike sound no matter what the source. The ported cabinet layout offers a more in-depth low-end performance. The system also emphasizes an auxiliary input that enables you to connect with other devices. For convenience, there's also a volume control and a headphone jack. You'll enjoy performance that's significantly greater than your original speakers, and it's the most affordable workstation speaker system from Bose. You can enter a world of entertainment on your computer. Bose engineering makes assured that you hear it all with just two compact, neat speakers. The unique digital signal processing delivers clear, full sound at any volume, so you'll experience your favorite music, videos, and streaming content even further than ever before. Sit down at your computer or laptop and get set to hear a sound that seems to stretch far beyond the actual speakers. It's roomy and lifelike, made possible by true space stereo digital processing circuitry. Don't just play music, games, and videos, feel them. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.